In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Polkadot from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can initiate a transfer of Polkadot from your Binance wallet to Trust Wallet or any other exchange wallet that you have. So to start this process, go into Binance first, access your wallets, and under your available balances, you should see DOT, aka Polkadot. So tap on it from this list. Immediately upon selecting DOT, you will see the available balance at the top, and at the bottom you will have the withdraw option and deposit option. If you want to transfer from Binance to another exchange wallet, choose withdraw, and this will allow you to take your Polkadot from Binance. Choose send via crypto network, as we will be using a crypto network address. And now you will be able to fill out all of the necessary details, with the most important one being the address. This is going to be the address from Trust Wallet. So to set up your Trust Wallet so that you can receive the Polkadot, you must add it as a token or coin that you have. So open Trust Wallet, and if you don't already have Polkadot under crypto, what you have to do is tap these coin icons at the top right corner of the home screen. When you tap these coin icons, you will be able to manage crypto networks, including DOT. So make sure that you enable DOT and BNB Smart Chain. Once both of these have been toggled on, you can tap on any of them. Then you will see all of the details, and what you have to do here is choose the receive option to receive Polkadot from another wallet. By choosing receive, you will be given the QR code and your wallet address itself displayed here. So all that you have to do now is copy the wallet address, and once you have it copied, go back into the withdraw option on Binance and paste it here. With the address pasted successfully, the network should automatically be selected. You can input the amount and where you will be sending from. Afterwards, confirm the withdrawal and give it some time. I recommend sending a small amount first, and if it goes through, then you can go ahead and send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Polkadot from Binance to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.